Hey guys, welcome back, darlings. Welcome back. Today I have a Shein haul for you guys. Now, listen, I have been searching YouTube because I want YouTube to tell me how people do jewelry haul. I'm gonna look at me and look at me say, you know what? F this. I'm just gonna do it how I want to do it, how I'm comfortable doing it. Because I don't see why I need to dress up, put on makeup, and do all these things for show me some jewelry when I buy from Shein. No, I'm not about to do that. So I'm just gonna do this all my way. Hopefully you guys like it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the name and the price of the thing of the jewelry on the screen as I go along. Alright, so first we have these little rings. Nice, right? And then we have, what is this? The earring? Is this a ring? Supposed to be a ring, but it's either my finger too. I think my finger is too big, because you see the design, it's like two separate pieces, but you bring it together and you get like this cool design from it. But again, my finger too fat, so this not gonna work for me unless I'm gonna wear it like, you know, the girls put the ring on top of the hand like that. Unless I'm gonna do it like that. So next we have this, I think it's a chain. Oh my god, this is so nice to die for. Wow, very cute, and it's heavy. The material is very good. Now we have a bangle. It has a bend type of design. Can you see that? Yeah, so hopefully fit my big on them, and it does. If you're on fat, you don't have nothing to worry about, because my hand big as hell and it fit. Now we have, do I have earrings in now? We have these cute little earrings, but this is the look. Real cute, real classy, you know, real classy look. Very nice. It has like pearls. I bought a chain to go with this too. Next we have this chain. This heavy, it's heavy. Like, why you need to heavy so? Because it's layered. Oh my god. See if I can show you. Oh, guys, do you see this? This is so nice. But yes. Alright, then we have them big bangle here. This is supposed to be earring and bangle in one. Cute, right? This is the look, which I think is very cute. Very, very cute. Love it. Look at the ring, guys. Excitement. This is when you know a nice, sexy black dress and you just want your jewelry them to carry off your thing. Yeah, and the ring them also open up to your finger size if you have big finger like myself, yeah. So maybe you can pull on this part, like, you know. Oh, I gotta try one of these. Check it out. What do y'all think? Talk to me. Cute, right? And it's light, very lightweight. Anyway, we're moving on. This is the pearl that I bought for the earring. Real simple. It's also layered. Which, what's going on here? I don't know. I shouldn't take it off of that thing. We're gonna put this one aside. That one look like it no good. Anyway, we finally find one silver. Big bangle. Love a big bangle. Ooh, it fits. Fits perfectly. Now squeeze your hand, now crush you, now feel uncomfortable. Love that. And now we have this gold set with some rope going through it. Ooh, it's a choker. Oh, it's this. The material is not what I thought it was. It's like plastic. It's not like metal, like the gold metal. This is plastic. So it's very lightweight. Very, very, very cute. Very nice. Very nice. Right? You got the little charms all over it. Yeah, you just have to know to dress this up. Nice. Love it. This is a cute little chain and herring. I just see this and I thought, you know, you're in a one little dress. Nothing too fancy. Well, not fancy not at all. Just a simple little dress. And you're home and you just want to look cute. You don't want nothing too much. I thought this set was perfect for that. See what I mean? It's nice. Love it. Right? Yeah. Then we have this. Hopefully this pearl works. And I think I just need to fix that because I know it was sexy. It was like a three-way thing. So here we have all different type of, you know, different stuff. Look at that. Cute, right? So this was supposed to go with this and thing right here. And this. But I'm gonna fix this. Got rings again. Can you see that? Beautiful. We love them. I need to lotion my hands. Ooh. Anyway, we love these. And we're back. Come a little closer. Come up it on my bump. Anyway, we got this. I searched for a black piece. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if this is the right black piece, but I wanted something simple. And I wanted something with gold as well because that be a gold me wear. I love gold. Gold match the complexion of my skin. Oh wow. Is there a pattern on the next side? Yes, it's the wrong way. Anyway, you guys get the vibes, right? It's supposed to turn around like this. And then you have cute. Love it. This was one of my favorite. Between my tattoo on my neck, you can't hardly make out the backside chain because the tattoo and the chain are the same color. Anyway, this look like it I forgot pass on to my niece. It's kind of tight. So we have these. I have these in silver. So here we have it. This is nice. I think I ordered a pendant. I'm not sure, but I think I did order a pendant for this. And it also comes with the bracelet. So this is how it looks. It's if your hands are bigger than mine, perfect because it got a lot of room. Right now I'm holding it for it to be like this. If not, then it have a lot of space in it. You see that? Space. But yeah, cute. We like that. Alright, so now we have this. Again, a pop of color. I love that. So, yeah, so is it very cute. the details, the color. Boy, my neck just blending with everything. Whatever. But yeah, this is definitely a keeper, and of course we got the earring for it. Yeah. We got this. This is a whole set. This is it is black. It's black. I don't know if you guys are seeing black, but that's the color. Very cute. We got a ring, also black. We also got the earrings. Again, your ears have to pierce, and I don't understand why the earring gonna come with no back. The chain is just simple, one piece. Let me see how tall it is. Very cute, right? Okay. Alright, that's the whole set right there. Did I show you guys this? Oh, it also came with this, did I? Did you guys see this? I don't know if they want me to push my hand in this or open it up. Well, man can't push in, so I'm guessing it's a open up type thing. And there you have it. It's gotta come a little closer. Yeah, so I open it up because I can't push it over my hand. But oh, ah, oh fuck. Oh my god. I got stuck. I'm looking for this set. Oh god, is this it? If this is it, then I got the wrong one. I don't know if this is it, but I think it is, and I got the wrong one. Damn, 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 damn. It's these chains that I saw a girl on the Bad Girls Club wearing. It is so pretty. But I think I got the wrong one. I wanted the one with the bear. The big bear right here. This is cute. It's okay. We could rock it. Let's see what this is. This is a little set. Is it? Is this? This is so small. This is how it's supposed to be. Oh my god. This is too small. It's supposed to be like a layered chain, but it's too tiny for me. Both of them, too small. But here we got earrings. These are just some simple gold earring. You see that? Yeah, these are just some simple gold earring with some diamond in the opposite side. Like one side, you can see it. They're nice too. So yeah, they're a keeper. I think this is the pendant or the diamond. Yeah, it's a pendant and a bracelet. So this is the bracelet. This is the bracelet. The material is not the best. You can see that it's going to change real quick. So paint it with some, if you want it to last long, buy clear Q-Tex and paint them. That's what I do to my costume jewelry, and they last forever. This is the pendant. It's supposed to be an E, but because it's one of them joining up E there, that's why it looks so weird. But yeah, I love it. It's nice. Very shiny. Ring again. We got some rings. Them ring are heavy, yo, and them ring here they cannot open. So if them can't fit your finger, that is it. This one, but this one has two long ends. This one have a short one and a long one. And then we have this one. Well, I think it's this way here. Yeah. Oh, this is pretty. Oh my god, you got bear. So cute, right? So these are very light. They are super, super light. And they are chains. It's just, I think you're supposed to just layer them. So you have this one, after that, you have that one, and then you have a little bigger one. Love it. They are so light, and then you got this one. Let me close this one. There you go. And you got that. Good, right? These, love them. Kidding, guys. Cute, right? Very cute. I'm sorry about this. But yeah, that's what it's giving. Very lightweight. I'm gonna have to try the stuff on this side because the bump here, it had too much, man. These are cute. They're so cute. Is it focus? Can you see that? They're gold, white, and diamonds. Nice, right? Love. So this right here, these were the most expensive ones. I think they're like $5 a piece. And I think they would have come together, but them don't. So this is what I want this to wear. Ah, shook me. This is how I want to wear this. You know, very nice, very cute. Yeah, let me tell you, some I love when me have bangles. I love enough bangles for my hand. So I watch over the pan hand and then them here over here. So, and we have one more silver. I'm really trying to get into silver, you know. I would leave this one. I mean, it's not bad, but I would not buy this one. I'm not gonna send it back because we have time. But this, look at these earring. So I guess I'm not trying to figure it out. Hold on. Do you like? Nice, right? Oh, you got the camera now? Yeah. You recording on it? Or you try it? Yeah. So yeah, that is the last piece of item. I didn't even realize. So okay, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, darlings. Please, 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 please like the video, comment. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And to all my subscribers, thank you, darling, for rocking with me. Keep supporting the channel, and because that's the only way we're about to grow on here. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.